Vere United have been banned from the Jamaica Women's Premier League. The announcement was made in a press release from the JFF on Monday. Vere failed to honour their two opening fixtures against Whalema Bay and Proven Girls. Article 7.5 of the jWPL regulations state that if a team does not report for a match, except in cases of force majeure recognised by the JFF Competitions and Regulations Committee, or if it refuses to continue to play or leaves the stadium before the end of a match, the team shall be considered as having lost the match and 3 points awarded to its opponents with a score of 3-0 or more. With Article 7.6 explaining that the guilty team in Article 7.5 shall, as a rule, be excluded from further participation in the competition so that none of its matches will be deemed valid unless the incidents mentioned in paragraph 5 occurred at its last match. Now, Vere have also been fined $50,000, which is to be paid by March 23, 2024.